There was a big thud on the door, and I thought, what the hell's that? Like, I went out, and it was police constable was at the door. Said, "There's, I don't know what he said. There's a bomb scare or a bomb. You have to get out of the house." So I rang upstairs then and told the partner. I woke her and we have to get out and whatever, you know. Ready to walk outside. I put the foot into the porch when the bomb went off. I saw the debris flying past. So, like, if we had went out there 1 minute before, we'd have been right in close proximity to where the bomb went off. A very, very lucky escape. Very lucky. Things that you think are way in the past, you know, completely and utterly unexpected and shocking, really, you know, and you just hope that this was all over with, you know, and we've seen the dark days have gone, you know, but unfortunately, I just hope it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen again.